Hello and welcome. This video series will explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions portal. This is the 7th episode in the series and covers managing subscriptions. By now, you have seen the value remote diagnostics can bring to your organization. It is important to keep your trucks connected to increase uptime and reduce total cost of ownership. In this episode, we will review how to renew and manage your PACCAR Solutions subscriptions. As a best practice, we strongly recommend limiting the number of people responsible for managing your subscriptions. Only users with customer administrator roles are able to renew. Subscription status and subscription end dates are available from the Vehicles page. You are able to export the vehicle list and easily sort by expiration date. To renew and manage subscriptions, select the Subscriptions link from the left-hand menu. A new window will open. Side note, as new connectivity features are offered, additional tiles will be displayed and available for subscription on this page. If this is the first time you have accessed the Subscriptions page, you will need to start by adding your payment method. Click on the button in the red banner to manage your payment method. You have two options for payment: credit card or ACH. Make your selection and complete the form. Now that your payment information is added, select Manage Vehicles under Truck Connectivity to renew your remote diagnostic subscriptions. After selecting Manage Vehicles, a list of eligible VINs is displayed. You can subscribe up to 60 VINs per transaction, and you can subscribe them at any time. Select the VINs you would like to renew, select Add to Cart, and click the Checkout Cart icon. Agree to the terms and conditions and confirm the transaction. The subscription expiration date will be extended for 1 year after payment is received. Pro tip: if you have renewed a VIN while the current subscription is still active, the new subscription end date will not appear until the end date of the active subscription. All renewals are automatically enrolled in Auto Renewal. You will receive a reminder email prior to the VIN being renewed. When a truck is sold, you will want to unsubscribe the VIN. Select Manage Vehicles under Truck Connectivity and change the I want to default to Unsubscribe. Select the VIN or VINs that you would like to unsubscribe and then select Unsubscribe, Add to Cart. Select the cart icon in the upper right-hand corner to check out. Select Confirm. Once confirmed, your default payment method will no longer be charged for the unsubscribed vehicle or vehicles. The remaining subscription can be transferred to the new owner and is an excellent benefit when selling the used vehicle. If the subscription is expired, the new owner will need to subscribe the truck in PACCAR Solutions and provide a new payment method for renewal. Pro tip: do not forget to remove the sold vehicles from your profile by navigating to the Vehicle Details, Health, and then from the three-dot icon select Remove Vehicle from Account. Thank you for watching the Managing Subscriptions episode. We created this video series to explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions portal.